Leaders from the ruling Jubilee Party and the opposition National Super Alliance have abandoned their hardline political party positions to fully support President Uhuru Kenyatta and opposition leader Raila Odinga's peace-building initiatives.
Now, the women have also rejected early campaigns for 2022, claiming they are polarizing the country. At the same time, Gatundu South Member of Parliament Moses Kuria has accused a section of politicians of driving a wedge between him and President Uhuru Kenyatta after he said the president had neglected Mount Kenya region.
A section of women leaders from different political parties have formed a movement called Embrace Women Building Bridges for Kenya in support of the March 9, 2018 Peace Pact between President Uhuru Kenyatta and opposition leader Raila Odinga. Despite the Deputy President William Ruto coming out to support the handshake, majority of Ruto's allies have been apprehensive and suspicious of Raila's closeness to the president and brewed a storm in Jubilee on Kenyatta's succession.
We embrace inclusivity and reject politics that pit tribe against tribe, region against region, and party against party.
They say development projects will be spread to all parts of the country.
We stand with His Excellency President Uhuru Kenyatta and Right Honorable Raila Odinga in rejecting early campaigns that are polarizing this country.
We are going to stand with His Excellency President Uhuru Kenyatta, His Excellency Raila Amolo Odinga in the new path that they are leading this country in.
In the run-up to the 2017 presidential elections and after President Uhuru Kenyatta was sworn into office for the second and last term, the opposition engaged the president with bare knuckles.
You are desperate and you're sinking, and you're looking for every straw on which to clutch. Now every day you have been clutching on Raila.
The women leaders have now called for a ceasefire.
We have removed our ballets as a brigade. We have removed the handshake resist ballets.
Tunajua sisi kama Wakenya tumepitia mitihani mikubwa. Tumekuwa na uhasama baina ya sisi kwa sisi.
Mwezi wa Mei tukiwa kwenye maombi pale Safari Park, maombi ya kitaifa, ninakumbuka ya kwamba kulikuwa si tu mikono watu kushikana, bali watu walikumbatiana. Kulikuwa Mheshimiwa Rais, Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga, Mheshimiwa Naibu wa Rais William Samoei Arap Ruto, na vile vile Mheshimiwa aliyekuwa makamu wa Rais, Mheshimiwa Kalonzo Musyoka. Swala nitakaloliuliza ni hili: je, mbele ya Mwenyezi Mungu siku hiyo watu walivyokumbatiana ilikuwa utani ama ilikuwa ukweli?
Moses Kuria, who triggered a political storm when he accused President Uhuru Kenyatta of neglecting Mount Kenya region on matters development, has walked the road to Damascus and is apologetic.
I offered my unqualified apology to the President for any hurt and misconception that my words may have created. I hereby reiterate that apology to the President and my fellow Kenyans.
Kuria claims he continues to face personalized attacks from people keen to settle political scores with him, despite apologizing to the president.
I am troubled that they are doing it in a manner that is designed to create a rift between myself and the president.
Elsewhere, Mumias East MP Benjamin Washari and RLF Deputy President William Ruto appears to be abandoning hardline position on Uhuru Kenyatta's successor.
We were not going to rely on an agreement, and I'm sure there's no an agreement or MOU that had been written between the president and the deputy president. But what I know there was, we were making statements, and most of us know what our leaders were saying about 10-10.
What about the Uhuru-Raila Peace Pact?
We have embraced it as the leaders of Jubilee, and we appreciate that there was this handshake. But it should not be blown out of proportion.
Patrick Amimo, KTN News.